SAMEOU rear dashcam test. Let's see how it works during sunlight. You can see the details close to the center. By the shadow in the corners, you can't see the details well. This rear camera works well against sunlight. You can see the details even being close to the sun's rays. At twilight, moving details are difficult to observe. Now let's see how it works during twilight and darkness. At the beginning of the night, under the lighting of the city, the details are difficult to observe. It is normal for the camera to have more difficulty picking up moving details in low light. However, it is an excellent camera during night lights. Under the dark of night, you can barely see it, and this is normal for a non-infrared camera. On a moonlit night, you can capture the sky and have a partial view of the landscape. On daylight is almost perfect, so it's a good camera for value for money. Thanks for watching.